Hi guys, I know why you're here. I know you want to see me make this delicious jerk chicken. I'm gonna put you onto the recipe, so stay tuned. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. So starting off guys, I'm gonna ensure that I have my washed seasoning. I'm gonna use about 5 stalk of green onion, or scallion as what we would call it. I'm gonna chop that up fine so that my blender, it would be easier to blend them. I'm then gonna have some thyme leaf. Jerk chicken, this is very important when you're cooking your jerk chicken guys. This seasoning is very important. I'm gonna also add 1 Scotch Bonnet pepper. I'm gonna chop up about 1 green sweet pepper, and I'm gonna have about 1 piece of ginger, and then about half of an onion. It depends on the amount of chicken you're cooking. My serving size is about for 7 people, so just adjust it to your serving size. I'm then gonna have some pimento seeds and some garlic. The full recipe will be in the description guys. I do have my ebook on sale. You can check out my Instagram and TikTok, and you can click the link to purchase my ebook. I'm then going to blend all the ingredients together. I'm gonna add some jerk seasoning to the blend, right? And then I'm going to also add some browning. That's where I get the dark color from. You could just add a little drop of browning. I'm then going to add about 1/4 cup of water. You can add vinegar also. It doesn't matter. It will still give you the same results. I already have my pre-seasoned chicken. All the seasoning will be listed in the description. I'm gonna add some more powder jerk seasoning. And guys, you can purchase these seasoning at cityeats.com. Use code VEN10 to get 10% off. I'm then gonna add my jerk chicken marinate. I'm gonna season that well. I did let my chicken sit for about 6 hours because you wanna get the best result, the best flavor. So it's best to let it sit for overnight or a minimum of 6 hours. I'm gonna do this in the oven on a baking sheet. So I added some foil paper on my baking sheet, and then I'm gonna add the chicken to my pan. I'm then going to also ensure that I'm placing the chicken thigh skin side down. After that, I did preheat my oven to 400 degrees, and I'm gonna bake these chicken for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, it should look like this. I'm gonna flip them skin side up, and I'm gonna let them bake for another 25 minutes. 5 minutes or 7 minutes out of that 25 minutes, I'm going to turn my oven on boil, and then that would be 500 degrees, and that would give them the crispiness that you guys are looking for. And guys, that was it. Quick and easy oven jerk chicken. It tasted so authentic because the flavors and the aromatic that I use, the Jamaican authentic flavor, that is what matters when you're cooking oven jerk chicken. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop a new video. And once again guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe.